Namaste, I am JVN Diksha Saxena, Assistant Professor of Journalism Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will learn what is television production and what process of television production. There is so many topics. It will be live studio, tape studio, scripted, force, local and national shows, pre-production houses, production stages, post-production process, editing, camera, lights, microphone, sound recording. First we have to learn what is television production, yani TV production. Have you ever thought what goes behind any television production program? Or have you ever noticed the names of people involving in production process that appears on television after the program ends? While watching television as viewer, we are largely unaware of the production, but professional television production, regardless of whether it is done in a television studio, in the field of complex creativity process in which many people and machines interact to bring a variety of messages and information to large audience, that is called TV production, which means television production. After that, it is the techniques to use to create a television program. The entire process of creating a program may involve developing a script and creating a budget, hiring of creative talent. Production process may include lines before filming takes place, locations after filming. The post production process may include video editing, the additional sounds, additions of sound, music, optical effects. The creation of television show begin with an idea for program, the development of script. A television network may also require a commitment from one or more well-known actors before financially committing to a film or a show. What is pre-production stages? Today we will learn pre-production stages. The stage includes everything you do before entering the studio or reaching the studio shooting location. It involves idea generation, research, scripting, discussions with all the crew members and talent, which means talent mean is actors, arranging equipments, video, audio tapes, properties, costumes, set designing or location hunting, booking of some editing shifts. Pre-production activities involve the planning, budgeting, and preparation of needs before shooting begins. In the all involvement planning every day and everything in advance. This is very essential to get desired result. The pre-production period can last as long as the month of or for a movie or just a week of a single episode of situation of comedy. TV production. We will learn now we are learning what is production stage. This is the stage when you are on the studio floor or on location and are ready to shoot or actually shooting. It includes managing all the facilities, handling of the talents, crew members, controlling the crowd, shooting without hurdles, and solving any problem related to the spot or shot or something. Post production process. This is the third stage of program production. It is the stage when you get the final process of your show, your program. It includes cutting the video, recorded visual into appropriate length, arranging the visuals, and proper editing. In short, proper editing. There is use of desired effect for the visual text. It begins with the filming and continues until the project is delivered to the network of airing. Now we have to learn what is editing. Editing may be begin during production. In the single camera shoots the film from each day is reviewed at a later time by the director or producer and network in the order in which it was a shot. These films called dailies are then broken down, assembled into scenes by the editors. The first full assemble is shown to the director. The producer and the network make changes until the final cut is created. The final stage of post-production is the addition of optical effects such as scene fade outs and fade ins, dissolve, yes, correct, title and creation of special visual effects such as animation and color corrections. The post-production process can take as long as 8 weeks for a movie, for 3 days for a situation comedy. All optical effects, titles, and music are rolled in during the TV productions. Or soaps, arranging game shows, the talk shows, etc. Next is camera. The most basic equipment in the any and every production is the camera. In our live also, many of us or friends must have used the camera for the capturing various events. If you carefully look at the camera, look at any camera, you will see in the lens in it. The camera is principally designed to convert the optical image as projected by the lens into an electrical signal, often called the video signal. Next is lights. Light is, have you ever tried to see something in dim light? It is difficult to see, isn't it? Now imagine seeing in the dark. You must have wondering how it is possible to see in the now. Imagine seeing in the dark. You must be wondering how it is possible to see in the dark. Just like that human eye, the camera also cannot see without a certain amount of light. There comes to role of lights in the television production. Lightning is most important for any shot, any shoot. Lighting, without lighting we can't shoot. First is to provide television camera with the illumination for technically acceptable pictures. Second is to show the viewer what the object shown on screen actually look like what we are thinking. Microphone. You may have seen microphone being used by people to talk on various occasions. Have you ever wondered why we actually use microphone? Just as you have learned that the camera convert what it sees into electrical signals, similarly the microphone converts sound wave into electrical energies or the audio signals. You know that what is wave? I'm talking about wave. Microphone convert into wave what we are talking, what we will say. But the sound that we produce are feeble in nature and therefore cannot be sent to larger distance. Therefore, it is amplified and sent to the loudspeaker, which reconverts them into audible sound. There are different types of microphone available for different purpose. Picking up news anchor's voice, capturing the sound of tennis match, and record a rock concert all requires different types of microphones or set of microphone. What is sound recorder? Radio is an oral medium, whereas print relies on visual content. However, television combines compelling visual with the personal of the radio. The audio visual character gives it great power of convincing and conveying realism of convincing way. The television sound audio not only communication information but also contribute greatly to the mood of atmosphere of the visual that come along with the audio of the on the screen. When we laugh, there is sound of laughing. When we are sad, there is sound of sad sound. So this is called sound, and it will be recordable. So today we learned what is television production, what is pre-production, what is production stage, what is post-production stage, editing, camera, lights, and microphone. There are so many topics we have. So we will continue next in the next video. Thank you.